So we are ready to board. Fast cut bound for Dumaguete. Designated driver. You have yung mga passengers sa likod. Who are the passengers?
Hello. We are passengers.
You're planning to take your vehicle to Dumaguete from Port of Dapitan. First is find yung suitable na carrier. So you have Fast Cut, Montenegro, Starlight, Evaristo. These are yung mga dapat bayaran.
There's
Yung
alcohol, there's alcohol here.
bill of lading. You have to pay. Sa amin we paid. Hindi natin how much this. 4,885
Maybe.
for an
Very
SUV.
Sorry.
Ang ingay ng mga tao ko dito no.
Sorry.
So you have your yung terminal fee for each passenger is 25 pesos. Ayan, 25 pesos. Then yung what is this one? 129 yung Arastre. Okay. What is good about yung Fast Cut, libre yung driver plus one passenger. So versus yung sa Montenegro, cheaper sila, but yung driver lang yung libre. Okay, tingnan natin. Let's just go out here to check. Okay. Makalabas pa tayo here to check video here kasi matagal pa yun. Yung limit ng sakyan vertical clearance is 2.54 meters. No? So here, ito yung motorcycle na area. Then you have yung private vehicles. Diyan yung Starlight na ferry. Ito yung Fast Cut naman. Fast Cut. Sasakay ko. So we're the first private vehicle for Fast Cut. So 3 lanes sila. Mukhang mauna atang sakay yung Montenegro. Yan papasok na siya. Yan boarding. First vehicle boarding. Ito yung area, area for vehicles. Nandun yung Fast Cut. So yung mga buses, Ceres Tours. Ayan, boarding na yung Montenegro. So cheaper siya, I think cheaper by mga 500. But yung comfort ng passengers, better yung Fast Cut. So ginawa ng Fast Cut, kung marami-rami kayo, libre yung one more passenger. So yung discount nila for group travelers. Okay.